Alright, I'm playing Teardown right now because I need to laugh, and I think this game would make me laugh because of the destruction I cause in this game. Why am I sad and need to laugh? Because I just watched Squid Game Season 3. I'm not gonna spoil anything, but I just want to say that season fucking had me in tears at least 2, 3, 4, about 4 or 5 times. So pretty much, I watched it today. It is June 20th. No, it's after midnight, so it is June 28th at the time I'm recording this. But that season, I don't care what people say. People are hating on it on Reddit. It's amazing. It's amazing. The ending, the only thing I will say that's negative about season 3 was the ending, and that's all I'm gonna say. But the whole season was beautiful. It was sad, depressing. But yeah, my only complaints are the ending and maybe the final game a bit. But that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna go into detail because it just came out. Not everyone had the chance to watch it yet, so I'm not gonna say anything else about it. Let's just play Teardown. Campaign, sandbox, challenges, expand. I've actually never played this before. I've only seen videos. How do I unlock it? Free roam sandbox mode. Okay, play the campaign to unlock more. So I just gotta do campaign. Sven Lagom. Sorry. I could be people. You know what? Let's go with Sven. That's my default character. So what's my mission here? Part 1. Do my task to destroy certain Oh, this game you can destroy anything. Literally, this whole game you can just destroy anything you please. Walk and proceed to switch from first person to third person. Okay, I want to do first. So, where's home? Is this home? This might be home. Yep, this is home. Why am I living in a factory? Oh, okay. Thank you. Go inside. I gotta move boxes. See, this is making me laugh already. I gotta move fucking boxes to get in my home every single day of my life. I'd go nuts. Pick up your tools. E, pick up. A sledge? Yeah. Replace the fuse to turn power on. Where's the fuse? About there. Now let's just go through here. You know what? Oh my lord. I broke these boxes so I no longer gotta move them when I fucking walk in my house every single day of my life. Yeah, like everything is destructible in this game. Like I can destroy anything. I please do. Boom. Can I make this whole thing collapse? Oh my lord. Hold on. My lord, that's hilarious. Can I higher up the volume on this? I lowered it because I thought it was too loud before I started recording, but I'm thinking it's too low. What am I supposed to do? Did I miss something in there? Oh, I gotta open the door. Here we go. Nice, now I got power. Okay, let's just casually destroy my shit. Okay, can we destroy this, whatever. Scared? Broke. What? My lord. This is like, what the fuck? Okay, break, execute, pull hook, arm, left. Okay, oh, this is gonna be fun. How do I hook? Square. Can I drive the whole thing up? Oh, nice. Let me try and pick up a vehicle. How do I unhook? Don't unhook the vehicle, fuckhead. Let me pick up a vehicle and smash it in my house. All I didn't do is much damage now. What if I just charge up? Don't mind me. Oh, there's vehicle health in here. Geronimo! Why am I saying Geronimo? Easy access to the house. And get in through the window. Yep, there we go. Easy as pop. Repairs on that are going to be astronomical. But, Tracy, gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. Not reading all this. Mission, the old building problem. Okay, let's just break in here and see what's the deal. Propane tanks explode when thrown. I love it. This game's making me laugh already. Wait, oops. Oh, this is propane. Yes. Wait, do I just gotta like cut the roof down or something? Hold on, let's throw it. Nice. Okay, I got 3 more. Can I jump and throw it? Yeah, maybe, yeah. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's just destroy the foundation of the building. Or like the sides or whatever. Nice. Okay. It said when thrown, not when hitting items. The fuck? I didn't know I had a health bar in this game as well. More propane. That ain't doing much. Let's get in this vehicle. Hold on. I just saw this. Oh, this is fun. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. How is this house on fire now? This is, what are we in Minecraft? This house should be still somehow, some way. Demolition. Where's the escape view? Am I crazy? Where is it? Where's the arrow? Oh, a nice and invisible wall. There it is. We demolished a house. 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Nice. Continue. Continue. Well, morning time. Fuck up alarm. There. It's destroying my bed too. I need a new bed anyway. I need a purple mattress. Can't be having these crappy mattresses. What a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Oh shit. I thought that was fucking Gi-hun from Squid Game right there. I'm seeing things. I become so sad over that show that like I'm seeing things now. I thought that was... Why Gi-hun? That looks like fucking... He has the hair of the sun, the lead computer. So just gotta destroy computers. They're gonna like break in here. Press tab to toggle map. Oh, but this is cool. Oh, that's nice. Registry. Pick up 3 computers at the site for security. Fire alarms. Large fires will trigger the alarm. Good to know. Office. Primary targets. Office, harbor office, and factory. Fuck you, fence. Is this one of them? Yep, this is one of them. Don't mind me. Nice. Another one is straight ahead. This one. Knock, knock. Anyone home? Must be locked. Oh, well, I was going to break in, but this building is made of brick. This looks promising. Never mind. It's fucking hard as a brick. How do I get in here? Oh, right here. Thank God they're doing repairs on this place. So I can get in. I don't think so. I don't know how to get in. Through the roof? Maybe the roof. I broke the stair. I must just box myself in a corner. Here we go. Here we go. What's this? Grab valuable. Oh, I got a valuable. Now I'm in the right place. Here we go. In here. That's a bathroom. Turn off. TV. Here it is. Don't break it. It's not the computer. Is this it? It's a paper slip. Dude, I'm losing my mind. I'm not gonna lie. Here it is. Search every fucking room but the right room. My lord. This. I wish I had something stronger to break the brick. That'd be nice. Hold on, I have an idea. There we go. Yes. Yes, yes. Now, are there fires anywhere? No. Okay, I'm in. Must be on the second floor. Maybe. That must be it up there. Let's just destroy more of the building. Let's bring it up in there. Oh no! Can I turn it? No, I'm not that strong. Yep, there it is. That's a chair. Come on. There we go. Smart. Smart thinking. Okay, now what? Escape vehicle? Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna like continue this. Uh-oh. Okay, there's been a break-in at Lee Chemicals. The perpetrator caused property damage. No shit. CEO Lawrence Lee Jr. says they will upgrade security and should be up and running again soon. Good night. Can't destroy my own TV. Can destroy everything else in this thing. Fucking TV. I can't destroy. Can I destroy the TV stand? Oh, yes, you can. Turn it off. It's annoying. Next mission. Yeah, the customer registering Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT, and no further details. So I can't read. Didn't read the rest of the instructions because I'm that guy.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Wait, are there gonna be like guard dogs or something, or like fucking people here that I need to like knock out? And boom, instant entry. Gotta love. Let's make an escape real quick. There we go. We have an escape now. Just in case. Okay, what's up ahead? Oh, I'm hitting E. Oh, use quick save. Oh, that's smart. Use quick save. Whoa. Shit. I need to get 2 more things before security gets here? It's impossible. Oh, fuck me. What did I do? How do I shut this shit off? Wrong building. Where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? Oh, no. This is it. Get up these damn stairs. Is this how I'll like turn off the alarm? Okay. Yes. What is that? That's not. Is that it? Well, where's my other target? To the left. Shit, I'm never gonna make this. Do I just fail? Or do I have to like defend myself? Okay. Quick load, I guess, right? Yeah. Okay, so hit this. Leave. Go left. Wait, is there like a window I can break real quick? And jump from? Okay, good. So what? Oops. So can I jump from building to building? Pull some fucking parkour shit. Oh, yes I can. On here. Oh, this is it. This is my moment. Main character moment here, guys. Jump on here. Last one. Get out through here. Oh, that's far. Can I get in the water? No, I can't. I gotta just run. This is intense. I am not going to make this shit. Fuck me. Oh, hurry. Go through here. Let's see here. Hold up, let's do some preparations here. Let's prepare. Some big brain maneuvers here. Then I go in here, where is it? Up the stairs. There it is. Alright, back to square one. Let's do this. I didn't quick save. So if I fucking fail, I gotta do all this shit again. All this preparation shit. Oh, thank God. Wrong fucking way. I think I'm gonna do it. I might do it. It's easy. Easy work. Or maybe not. No, cool. So I gotta get to the damn vehicle. Where is it? Is this it? Oh, that's it. Oh, thank God. Get out of here. Did it. Did it. God bless. You've reached a new rank, amateur. Amateur? I scored that shit. Blowtorch. You can upgrade your tools in the computer terminal. Let's upgrade real quick. I think I'm gonna... How do I upgrade? Tools. Let's upgrade my... How upgrades available? Blowtorch. Fuel 100, not enough cash. Oh, damn. Okay, I don't know why I would want to upgrade anything other than the sledge or the blowtorch. So once I get money, I can do that. So wait, quick save. Okay, progress save. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. This was fun. It took my mind off things. But thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more of this game. I don't know what I'm gonna play next. I did say in Huntsman that I was going to play in From the Darkness next, but then I decided to play this to make me laugh and smile a bit, because all day I've been in a bad mood of how Squid Game Season 3 was. Not that it was bad, no, don't get me wrong. This season was amazing. It was amazing. Oh yeah, I cried so much. I'm not, okay, I'm done talking because I don't want to spoil it. I love y'all. Stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.